Hello students, welcome to AK Virtual Math. This is the second part of students review. So I got some more questions from the student. This question I got in the comment box. So let's see how to solve this. So in this question there are total of 1200 seats in a stall. In one evening 5 by 6 of the tickets in the stall were sold. On this evening, tickets sold in the ratio of stall to circle is equal to 10:7. Calculate the number of tickets sold in the circle. So, what we'll do, first we have to find out 5 by 6 of 1200, so that we should know what is the total number of seats sold in the stall. So, let's find out first this 5 by 6 of 1200. So that will be equal to what? 5 by 6 times 1200. So if I'll cancel this, 2 times 6 is 12, so we'll be getting here 200, and then we'll multiply here this 200 and 5, so we'll be getting here 2 times 5 is 10, so we'll be getting here 1000. So 1000 seats were sold in the stall. Now the ratio of stall and circle is, so here is stall and circle, that ratio is 10:7. Means if 10 seats were sold in the stall, then 7 seats were sold in the circle. So now we have already this number of seats sold in the stall. This is what the stall. So it means here it will be 1000 in the stall. So what will be here? So this is ratio 10:7. So we see what will be the multiple here. So it is 100. So if we multiply this side 100, this is the 100 time of the ratio. So here will be also, it should be 100 time of the ratio. So we'll be getting here 700. So it means the number of seats sold in the circle is 700. So this will be the answer, that is asking calculate the number of tickets sold in the circle. So number of tickets sold in the circle is 700. Okay. Now one more question I have, that is based on simplifying the algebraic expression. So in that we have two brackets, x plus 5, another bracket that is x minus 3 and its square. So it was asked to expand and simplify this. So what we'll do, first we have to expand this square. So we can write it like this. First bracket will be as it is, x plus 5, and second bracket we can write x minus 3 its square, so will be multiplied 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 3. Okay. We can use here algebraic identity also to expand this square, like this: a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We can apply this here. So in the place of a it is x, in the place of b it is 3. So x square minus 2 times 3 is 6 x, and plus b square, b is 3, so 3 square is 9. So we can use algebraic identity, or we can use here this multiplication also. So what we'll get here, if we'll expand this x will be multiplied here, so we'll get x times x, that is x square. Then again we'll multiply here this x in minus 3, so we'll get minus 3x. Then we'll multiply this minus 3, the second term of the first bracket will be multiplied in this x, so we'll get minus 3x, and then this minus 3 will be multiplied here, so we'll get plus, minus, and minus will get plus. 3 times 3 is 9. Now if we'll simplify this, so we'll get x square minus 6x and plus 9. So see, we are getting the same thing here and here. So let's write it here. So it will be x plus 5, and this thing we have to write here in the bracket, x square minus 6x plus 9. Okay. Now we have to expand this bracket also. So we'll follow the same method. We have to take the first term of this first bracket and we have to multiply in all the terms in the second bracket. So there are 3 terms in the second bracket, so we have to multiply this x in all 3 terms in the second bracket. So let's multiply here first in the x square. So it will become x cube. X times x square will become x cube. Then this x will be multiplied here. So it will be minus 6x square. And then this x again, it will be multiplied here. So it will be 9x plus 9x. Now we'll take this plus 5, we have to multiply this in x squares, we'll get here plus 5x square. Then this will be multiplied here. This is positive, this is negative, so multiplication will be negative. 5 times 6 is 30 x, and then this 5 will be multiplied here. This is positive, so multiplication will be positive, and then 5 times 9 is 45. Now we have to simplify this. So what we'll get here, if I'll simplify it, so x cube is only one term here, so it will remain x cube here, and then this 6x square, this is negative x square, and this is positive 5x square. So if we'll add these two, we'll get minus 1x square. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. And then we have this 9x, and this is minus 30x. So these two are the like terms. So minus 30 plus 9 will be minus 21x. And then this is plus 45. So this is what, after simplification of these bracket, we got this one cubic expression, like x cube minus x square minus 21x plus 45. Okay, so this is what the simplified expression. Now in the second part of this question, it was asked to sketch the graph of y is equal to the same thing here, what is x plus 5 and x minus 3 whole square. It was asked to sketch this graph. Now how we can sketch this graph? So it was asked to sketch, not plot. So we have to just sketch it. And when it is asked to sketch, they always give this set of axes. So this is x-axis and this is what it is, y-axis. So to sketch it, we need 2 things. We have to know all the x intercepts. So where this graph will intersect x-axis, that we have to know first. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So where this graph will intersect x-axis and y-axis. So with the help of this expression, which is given in the form of factor, from there we can easily get the x-intercept. So from here, if I'll make it equal to 0, so we'll be getting here this x plus 5 is equal to 0, therefore x will be equal to minus 5. So this is what the first x-intercept, and these 2 x-intercepts are overlapping. So we are getting 2 x-intercepts are here, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it will be x is equal to 3. Here it is square, so it means there are 2 intercepts, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3. So we got 3 x-intercepts. From this simplified algebraic expression, we can find the y-intercept. So these constant terms always represent y-intercepts. So y-intercept is 45. So this 45, that is positive, plus 45, so it will intersect somewhere here. And this minus 5 will be somewhere here, suppose if it is here. So it will be minus 5, and then 3 is somewhere here, so this is plus 3. So these are the two x intercepts and one y intercepts. Now how the graph will be? So first thing, this is cubic graph, so we should know the shape of the cubic graph. So shape of the cubic graphs are either like this. It will have two turning point like this. This is one turning point, this is other turning point. Or it will be like this. Here again, these are two turning point. So the graph will be either like this or this. But how we will decide which one will be? Either it will be like this or this. So it will be decided with the x cube coefficient. Here what is that? It is positive. If it is negative, then the graph will be like this. This is what x cube term is negative, then it will be like this. And if x cube term is positive, then shape of the graph will be like this. So here it is positive, so shape of the graph it will be like this. So the graph will be like this. It will start from here and it will go up like this, and then it will take turn and then will intersect here, and then it will go up like this. So here it will just touch and then it will turn and it will go up. So it will be somehow like this. It will go up like this, and then it will take turn, it will go down, and it will come here and touch, and it will go up like this, somehow like this it will go. We have to draw it in the smooth way. It will take turn here and then it will go up, and then it will come down like this, and from here it will go up like this. And if you want to see the exact graph, so it will be like this. See, it intersect here at minus 5, and then it goes up, and then it take turns here at minus 45, and then it goes down and it just touch the x-axis at x is equal to 3, and it take turns and goes up. So this is how the graph will be. Okay, students, I hope you understood this. And if you have any other questions, any specific doubt, please write in the comment and share this channel to your friend. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Drop your questions or doubts in the comments. I'll be happy to help.